Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really happy to come back again to tell you about the Jquery UI, and we can call the full word of Jquery UI is Jquery user interface. And yeah, what is Jquery UI? Jquery UI is a correct set of user interface, interaction, effect, widget, and theme built on top of the Jquery JavaScript library, whether you are building highly interactive web application or you just need to add a debugger to a form control, Jquery UI is a perfect choice. And one more thing, Jquery UI is the most popular front-end framework currently. It is a sleek, intuitive, and powerful mobile-first front-end framework for faster and easier web development. It uses HTML, CS, and JavaScript. Yeah, okay, so what we need to do is set up environment. So what we should do first, okay, the first thing you need to do is download UI library from the official website Jquery UI. As you can see here, you can download it, and you can use CDN as well. Yes, you can go to stable and legacy, and if you don't need to download, you can use with the CDN link. Okay, yeah, API document, and what you need to use is Jquery 1.11. Okay, 1.11 is best choice. Oh, you can use the test. So now all these things that you can use it for your interface, like effects, as you can see, class animation. Yeah, as you can see like this, and it have code example here. As you can see, you can use CDN like this. Okay, I think it's really easy to set up because it just downloaded the Jquery UI library to your project or your directory. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you how to use draggable function in the Jquery UI. Okay, let's create the sample code that show you about the draggable function in Jquery UI. Okay, let's create a new file, and I can save it to my demo, and I can new folder and call Jquery UI. Demo, okay, and then I can say index.html. Okay, I can create a template HTML. So what we need to do is yeah, I don't want to download, I want to use CDN. can go to this and copy all this thing to your code in your text header. And one more thing is style. Here, copy it and paste it. Reindent. Okay, so now import in the library from the Jquery UI. And so now we can use code as Jquery UI. So what we need to do is need to add one more is we need to create a div text like this, and I can say okay, sorry, I can say p drag me okay, and I need to put ID draggable, and I can say class UI which content. Okay, so now you can I need to decor some decor with CS, so I'm going to take and I need to say draggable here, and then I need set weight 200 pixel and height 100 pixel as well. Then I need a background no. I need okay, like this. What is that color? So yes, I need just only that. And one more thing, I need to write a draggable script with just several lines of code. Script, and I can say function like this, and I need to select draggable. Okay, dot draggable. So just write this code so you can drag the box that have ID draggable is here. Okay, so let's save it, and then you need to view in your browser. Okay, let's go to Open in browser. Yeah, here. Boom. Yeah, like this. Wow, it's really cool. Yeah, jQuery UI is to make you easy. Just write several lines of code so you can drag it anywhere you want with your cursor. Okay, it's really cool. So yes, it's really nice. Okay, thanks you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please like button in below this video, and don't forget to share this video if you think this video is helpful. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you will see the next video about jQuery UI, and I will teach you more about how to use any other component in jQuery UI. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Good luck.